Ready to make your Apple Cash work harder for you. Let's dive into how to set Apple Cash as your preferred payment method, ensuring it's used first anytime you're paying with Apple Pay. First things first, unlock your iPhone and find the Settings app. It's the one with the gray gear icon. Tap on it to open. Scroll down within the Settings menu until you see Wallet and Apple Pay. Once you find it, tap on it to proceed to the next step. Now, on the Wallet and Apple Pay screen, look for Transaction Defaults towards the bottom of the screen. Tap on Transaction Defaults. Under Transaction Defaults, you'll see Preferred Card. Tap on that. This is where you choose which card Apple Pay will prioritize when making payments. A list of your available cards will pop up, including your Apple Cash card. Simply tap on Apple Cash to select it as your preferred method. Look for the check mark to appear beside it, signaling your selection. And that's it. Now, whenever you use Apple Pay, your Apple Cash balance will be used first. This goes both in stores and when using Apple Pay within apps. You've successfully set up Apple Cash as your preferred method to use up your balance before other cards. Enjoy streamlined transactions and make the most out of your Apple Cash. Be sure to like if you enjoyed this tutorial and subscribe for more Apple tips and tricks.